There's a really important security setting in the new version of iOS 17.3 called Stolen Device Protection. I'm going to show you how to activate it right now. Open up Settings on your iPhone and then scroll down till you come to Face ID and Passcode. You have to enter your passcode and then scroll down until you come to Stolen Device Protection. You can see it's off right now. If I tap Turn on Protection, it will instantly be turned on. And what this means is if somebody takes my iPhone and they have my passcode, they can no longer get into the iPhone if it's not in a regular location. This is a really important feature because many times people have had their iPhone stolen. They have an easily guessable passcode. And then if somebody guesses it or they know it somehow, they can basically access the phone, drain it of funds and everything else. If you don't want to use that feature, just press Turn Off Protection. It will be instantly turned off after doing the Face ID thing. And that's basically how stolen device protection works. I recommend you do turn it on, just like I did right there.